Welcome back to another video. I'm Korenn Rachelle and I'm making some vegan pasteles with my vegan picadillo stuffing. It's really good. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button and let's jump in. So I'm getting started here. Just like the alcapurrias recipe, you have your jaltilla, your green banana, your green plantain, and you're basically making a masa. Now there's more to this making a masa, so make sure you thoroughly read my blog post that I have listed down below in the description box. And so I'm seasoning the masa here with a bit of sazon. I also added some unsweetened almond milk as well as a bit of vegan butter, but more details on that on the blog. Here I have some banana leaves. So as you can see, I'm just putting the masa on the banana leaves and in the middle, my vegan picadillo. Right here I have my homemade steamer with my little rack here in my pot. Right on top goes the pasteles. I cover until they're cooked, maybe about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size that you make them. Here they are. You want to be mindful that your masa is an even texture, so you want to pick out any large chunks. But again, refer to the blog post. Here I have a bit of cilantro and garlic oil I've brushed on the top of this pastele. And that's it. These were really delicious. Make sure you try out the recipe, and I'll see you next time.